Hi, I will guide you to use the histogram menu. This menu aims to see the variance of quantitative data in graphical form. The first step is to select one of the data forms to be used in the data import menu. For example, here I used to upload data with an Iris CSV file. You can get this Iris CSV data by clicking Download Iris CSV. If you want to use other data, please select the CSV file by clicking Browse. After selecting the data to be analyzed, the next step is to click the Graphs menu and then select the Histogram submenu. A display like this will appear. Please select a quantitative variable in the Select Variable section. For example, I select the sepal length variable in the Select Numeric Variable section. The data can be viewed by clicking Show Data. Then, it will appear like this. Please close, then click Run. Wait until the data is successfully processed. After the process is complete, the results will appear like this, namely the plot display. The histogram has four features, named the Show Density Histogram feature, Chart Title Input, Label Input on the x-axis, and Label Input on the y-axis. To select these features, click the gear icon in the upper right corner. A sidebar box will appear. For example, I check the Show Density Histogram. In the title on Charts Input, I input my histogram. Then at the input title of X, I input sepal length. At the input title of Y, I input frequency. Then the next step is to click Run again. Then it will appear like this. To save plots, please select the camera icon like this. Then a download plot as PNG will appear. Please click, then the plot will be downloaded. Okay, those are the steps to use the Graphs menu for histogram.